Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by closing Photoshop and Creative Cloud so files aren't locked. Make a backup of the Photoshop folder and your custom presets. This protects settings if something goes wrong. Once done, check D for at least 20% free space and create a clear target folder, for example D/Adobe/Photoshop. Make sure you note the exact current C. Install path and your Adobe ID. These will be needed later when reinstalling or relocating files. This reduces risk and speeds the move. You should uninstall Photoshop through the Creative Cloud app so Windows registry entries are cleaned. Do not delete files manually first. After uninstall, copy your backed up Adobe folders into D/Adobe/Photoshop, keeping the same subfolder structure so paths for presets and plugins remain recognizable. Then, set folder permissions to allow your user account full control and quickly scan files for corruption. Make sure Creative Cloud isn't running while moving files. This prevents file locks and ensures a smooth reinstall to the new drive. Now install Photoshop from Creative Cloud, but change the install path in Advanced Options to D/Adobe so new program files land on the D drive. Once installed, restore your presets and plugins into the corresponding folders and launch Photoshop. Sign in with your Adobe ID and confirm preferences. If something fails, clear the Creative Cloud cache and retry, or run the Adobe Cleaner tool to remove lingering entries before reinstalling. This single troubleshooting tip usually fixes permission or residue conflicts and gets you back up quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.